Hi, my name is Nick. I'm an architect and the founder of the website revitpr.com. I'm really excited to announce our brand new learning package called Design. The goal of Design is simple, to help you create beautiful views using Revit. The Design package contains an ebook, a complete video tutorial series, a Revit template, Revit families made for presentation views, and a 30 days license for Enscape, which is our favorite 3D rendering plugin for Revit. The ebook included in this package is made to be simple, fun, and efficient. It is designed to be consulted on a computer screen. That means you won't have to zoom and pan around to read the text. Most of the ebook is made of images. The techniques are taught using tips and tricks that can immediately be used for your own project. The video tutorials are heavily edited and are using visual cues to be as short and efficient as possible. The Revit template includes views and components that are explained in the ebook and videos. For example, you can transfer the view template from this site plan to yours and replicate the same visual style. The template also includes custom view families for a site plan. You will also get multiple view styles for 3D views, including section perspective, hidden lines glass accent, presentation 3D views, and an exploded axonometry. The template contains 10 custom entourage families that can be used in 3D views and elevations. You will also find a custom material library that is ready for renderings. In the sheet, you will find multiple legend systems, like this exterior finish legend schedule. You will also get a template for a room area schedule that includes the color and percentage value of each occupancy. Finally, you will get an interior finishes annotation system that includes a custom schedule and everything you need to annotate the materials. Everything can be copied and applied to your project in a few clicks. Finally, the template includes a 30 days license for Enscape. In this package, we explore multiple rendering options and plugins for Revit. It turns out that Enscape is an incredible tool and the package will allow you to try it out. To download the package, go to revitpr.com/design.